We are going to completely remove the rear bumper cover of your 2012 Cadillac CTS-V, and we are going to do it without leaving a single scratch or snapping a single mounting clip. The tolerances on these exterior panels are tight. If you force the plastic tabs or let the fascia drop against the concrete, you are looking at broken mounts and an expensive trip to the body shop. To do this right, you only need 3 things: a floor jack, a non-marring plastic trim removal tool, and a 1/4-inch drive ratchet equipped with a 7mm socket. Setting up a clean workspace with a blanket and having the right tools within reach is the difference between a seamless professional job and buying a replacement bumper. Step 1 is getting the rear of the car in the air. Use your floor jack to lift the rear suspension just until the tires are barely touching the ground. This creates space. The hardware holding the bumper's edge is tucked deep inside the wheel arch, and you need room for your hands and tools to operate effectively. Look directly inside that newly exposed fender liner. You will see 2 plastic push rivets securing the liner to the body. Take your plastic trim tool and gently work it under the heads of these rivets. Pry them out slowly so you don't snap the aged, brittle plastic. With the rivets out, grab the edge of the fender liner and peel it back towards the tire. This exposes the hidden inner corner where the bumper meets the body of the car. Look at that junction. A single 7mm bolt anchors the outer corner straight into the chassis. Take your 1/4-inch ratchet with the 7mm socket and back that bolt completely out. Now move to the passenger side of the car and repeat these exact same steps to free the hardware on the opposite corner. By releasing these outer anchors first, the sides of the bumper cover are completely free, allowing the plastic to flex naturally as we move to release the center section. Now move to the rear along the center body line where the bumper meets the trunk. No bolts hold this center section. Hidden friction snaps lock it directly into the frame. This cross-section shows how these clips sit. Slide your flat trim tool directly into the gap between the fascia and body panel. Now apply pressure in 2 directions. Push up towards the roof and out towards your body. You will hear a loud pop as the clip releases. Just work your way methodically across the entire center line, popping each clip free one by one. This upward and outward force releases clip tension immediately, preventing permanent creases in the plastic. Stop right there. It is critical that you do not pull the bumper completely away from the car yet. The physical hardware is disconnected, but the bumper is still tethered to the car's main computer by a network of wiring harnesses for the parking sensors and rear lighting. Ease the bumper back a few inches to safely slide your arm behind the loosened fascia. Reach into the electrical connectors. Each one has a locking tab. Pinch the tab firmly to release. Pull straight back to separate it. Before you take another step, check the entire span of the bumper to verify that every single wire is unplugged and hanging freely from the chassis. Detaching these plugs manually ensures you don't rip out sensors and disable the vehicle safety systems. With the wiring entirely clear, you can now safely lift the entire bumper cover straight back and away from the vehicle. Carefully walk it over to your protective blanket and set it down flat, keeping the painted side elevated and safe from concrete scratches. Inspect your work. The mounting tabs are intact, the paint is flawless, and the wiring harnesses are completely unharmed. Now that the main cover is off, many owners use this access to upgrade the lower fascia insert, which requires separating it from the main bumper assembly. This service manual diagram shows the back of the bumper assembly. To remove the lower insert, locate and pry off the 14 metal push clips mapped out here using your flat-bladed tool. Knowing how to safely remove this rear bumper is the foundation for major DIY projects. From swapping lower fascias to installing upgraded exhaust systems, you now have full access to the rear of the car without paying a dealership's labor rate.